aba amansane yena yedimu sini papa be na upe bi ahwe amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu sini papa be na upe bi ahwe amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu sini papa be na upe bi ahwe amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane
right ebusia ye mamo ajo na mu akwaba ene eda ya wada bosome nson ne da to so dumienu ene twedi ampadaroma watumi ede nenso acheye abono nan die na emra son se adwumadi a yede bro juada ekosi fiada bi atro de sinopi ene ya transia yede brombitin ede se mike aha Kumawood TV o sa hwe live Facebook Kumawood TV on YouTube Kumawood TV okoho Facebook no drop comment na ebenyamre na yetumi akenkan ede amayen koma yedi nso no wadwenkyere ehia pa fi se eye sinopi yeno mienu ene ye sinopi mo man no etumi etumpon nti wadwenkyere hia wode beba ewo numbers a egu screen ase no wode voice note boy bekenkan na ebebo etumi ede ama sanso na de WhatsApp message ana ordinary text message nso ba ebekenkan etumi ede ama na channel so voice note na eba emrantem ni nyamre entumi emo na emane more than a minute enye be 1 minute na afi etumi aboya na edoson nti wode no mana ye be 1 minute na etumi abone abo for so de na amadwumedi no so etumi akoso your views, your thoughts, your comment emra na afi yentumi eni eho enkomo na nei ya transia na ensam no dos wonu say your weekends na ansa na be weekends no na committee abasa committee a transia ewo Pempa Assembly Hall ehwe nsama hodo a ekoso mentemi ho basa na so bani pa ba mienu eto ananom ewo nsia do ma baako enso kra no na wodi kan ewudada amani pa baako nso abofra kra ba dunsia etwa de nan ewo adwira no ehun sam no eguso a ekoso ewo busuafo no akasa sanso na Mozambique for pedifon so odwa no enso bia be kasa na do mo kan ne say in fact yo mo hwe ni mu ane pepper yo pa no mo hwe ni mu na kaka abusuafo nso ensama no mo atodwa mo kyerem ne se hwe asabi bai nkomo pese mo benya lawyer fo bi kwa na ka lawyer fo twaje wo mo fe lawyer kwaku a o si bu emintimi ma o fe lawyer kwame a o si mintimi ma o fe lawyer kwasi a o si mintimi ma o fe lawyer adwo a o si mintimi ma adan a o se lawyer fo nyina so musuro akwaya aban asem ukuyi ahe kwa na wo lawyer ni kwa no yakotata o enti se mo benya lawyer pa kwa no wotumi agina mu ama mo kwa no taka nua na eni de so bo abo no kwa no eno so ayedin pa enya agro. What country are you living in? Na any question na omo ebusa say nei so unya asam na de so bo no ebo na eye woni aban na se wuntumi nya lawyer na lawyer fo nya so musuro dia na Ghana na hefa ene akodri benyamre na yetumi adi ho enkomo na no fiada na Ghana mampani His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo Addo ereto wanim say Pokuase interchange 60 na 40 interchange mampani etumi abomodin a akobia no kama efepa ohwe interchange na in West Africa is the largest interchange ewo West Africa na ohwe said the interchange no FCT na sika ye de interchange na esefata said the basobody ebubi bia onya ni so ade hunu woye abedu sabire ya enei Pokuase interchange no enso etumi akoso na no na amanfo mo asante mantem na afi so no takwade ekasa mampani wa ya de na emom wo shebo enum ewa asante mantem mu ba hokora enfa so mo fom enhya ase kora dan so na takwade de enso no yehu de ekọ ntini so wa Pokuase na mo develop greater Accra dia mo de na Ghana bia hodo aka nso no muntimi nye na eho entumi entumpon ana nkoso no ene afi mpeja entumi enko those areas no so na ma chire nkran achepa well ana so ho enkomo wa ha ne fiada no a omampani ene achechirefo nkabomukuo baako a eno na achepa the longest teacher union in Ghana Ghana National Association of Teachers eternity eka na NAT omampani ene omampani fo hia wonse nchakra na university chenche panat for eba bedi enti panifo no eba onan ko omampani ho ene kodi nkomo ko tom sa from omampani ebe invite said ebe ya juma de duru abetu aba bi no omampani no mo kasa no omampani se teacher for mo ye juma papa mo ba so pa na mo nsa ne nso se wo ye teacher ni a wo juma de we wa je so wo be boa mo man no timi akoso ohun societal service ohun wo ba boa o man no ametumi a kire o man na mom enye sika nti wo ba so onye sika pa se teacher ni dia na je se wo je teacher no na ko di juma de foforo ampani ka asemi akekirefo ahodo wa Ghana ebi mo gina no asibone ana ma gina no asibe bia ese obje so ampani asebo kan wanka kora nkeye se akatua ya sha afia se boso menson omo so wuntua omoka salary increment enya mae omo kote a ese 4% omo kote kora ese ampani yere ne na be de kire no bitua omoka omo nka hohe omo to din omo nka sa bia na ampani sa be ka kire omo se omo titafo omo be so mu ye billionaires dia omo kwa juma fraud na so ampani pata se training college za hodo kwa Ghana no yenguna na asesen ho nkomo se de ese asoro Ghana ha pote asempote ampani kan ye ene se de titafo bi so kire mo adwen fa ho ne benyamre na afi etimi agbo ede amamo eti na afi ene tita unions no so no ampani fo no bi etimi ede nkomo ebusa se ampani aka omo atia na e kwa titafo no secondary school so mo se enka na o tia de anka ye ya na nkotwa ho eze de nya sa o ebu mo ha so betena ho sa mo atra school mo sa ma bono nan no numa san wetimi afi school mo se opese wa bani wa akabane opese udiye unyeska tafo wa Ghana mo sumwa pese udiye do pese se pese mudiye dia you must do something else ba se teacher ni pa na mo heni mo se mo be be fa ho adiye dia na the lay prof me so nye teacher ni makatua na ko sai John Dramani Mahama ba se me no kan ye akatua na ko sai ona pani so oti so oba na do na akufo ado oti so se me no kan ye eno no nti opese o ye dia bia na wa divert so hu ana with tani ba na ko pe politician bi no ware no be president a wo se betu aka bafu na aboawo mabeni asema ka benyamre na yetimi edi ho enkomo na the trade union congress adwumako na say adwumafo ka mko o my Ghana mpanifo na de krata tenten akoma his excellency the president of the republic say I think for the no kan no mate nemum o mate say say vice president ene ono mampani na yere ene omo matwam omo yere no ye ba betua omoka na omo krata say etua omoka krata da ya sha krata from January etua besu June twisi for na say omo sere mampani ene monimu ya skano first ladies former and current and second ladies skano twisi for magia mo san fan kongo tua to government chest anya sa omo ne mu ni ye kura e o my Ghana fi so mo say legally Ghana mrebu pa no nsiso etiamra se obi a wonye article 71 holder na o man no en contract wo na mampani beka se mayi sika de tuamoka se me yere anase ma be de akira anase mo motwa ma ha ma yere o se da bi tisi for se mampani enhwe na sika no omo ensan enfa nkoto bi a mo ko fa na former president John Dramani Mahama enso akasa da fasika no ho o se ye de ka kan ina no onu se de na na ko fado ene na aban eye no emwa o se Ghana ne ye wo no allowance sen de dada na etua nkanya bone na se ya be regularize ne se ye ntua maka bosome de ono no mampenda da Mahama se hu se sa de no enye enti ono no ba ye no wan famba sansa performance by one farmer na fe so mampenda da kofo ene rollins no bo man farmer no ni so mampeni otitu so be ye de a ono de ono no enya adwen well eno so nkobo ebenyamre na yetimi de wonu se enra na e wo se population and housing census ye kan Ghana for no ede nyina eba wiye but then penifo da abetu dwa se omo hwese de siko ye no a Ghana for bebre wa ye nyanka omo nti akwanya asan aba up to the 18th of July Ghana ni bia na yanka no hwe na yentimi enka within this period now master no na yentimi emwa sanso na National Identification Authority so da betu dwa se Ghana card ye no ebe akra ebe a document for traveling obo tu kwa no ne a Ghana card no ano na obetumi ayisu de atukwan eno nso ehon komo e wa na member of parliament or Jomoro in the western region of Ghana enso akasa na maame Dokas Afotofi na o chire mu se he enei oba e kra Ghana fo bi se an onye Ghana ni oye Ivory Coast ni ono so ofura Ivory Coast ache was now in citizenship as an Ivorian na ade ba ko ha ne pa se border etu mu obra covid bae enei yemi border no nti ama ware pa se de esi agu o western region no wase nya agro wase ware pa se de esi agu no bi se de ono ka asuoja no odimi ma nti ya ire no ja ne ha manfo owe ne ire nti ono no de character bas mejao tanso ene wi no ko afri won so a ya de se manfo commit suicide bi ja ho kire hankrofo pa ma nei akonfo ene omo so mo nti osro mampani se be ya boda no omie na amanfo edimi nguram na afi ya ware egu na manfo so mo so akonfo no na ma ho kire nti no omo edimi nyan some de doso no se am robber sa ka efri afijase eko atebubu ba bi na am robert satmi akobbo driver ni tu ama o tik otisti anim na ya bonu tu ni mo je swan driver na kai ko tu be say so serious. I don't want to show you the videos because so serious and terrible. Yes sir, pussy for say bambo no amoma no enyim nti ne ya trans ni edi nkoma ya hwe wampani samwa o ka kire teacher fo obra mkokọ sire ano say ombezo munya sika de a omunya de kire no na mkọpa bi juma wo froje na ade kire ne pa de societal service omo ye adwuma de abo man no enye so mbe yi ntia benyamre na ye di ehon komo is it a hard truth enokura den enokura emudo na wampani aka cha foyi ana mo na nya adwen ana yesen e de setie afi ye be TUC enso no ehokobom de akoma wampani sika otua from January 2017 ede ama omo yerenom ene omo bi de che yerenom no omo enyi sika na tamfa government test no eno se benyamre na etumi edi ho enkomo medin once again it is Mike Aseda Enkoma God's Way Casket Shop Kumawood Training Institute so ena Malam Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center Tawhid Naturopathic Clinic and afi our travel and logistics omina dum sika so ya sene ma de dwumade no etumi ede abo yentwa ho yanya aboafo nkra tomra ye ba enyamre atrase na etumi esinopi
animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me yo asofo nso no manya ma asore ma akom
obi o wa me ne wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra
ya djuma me ne da okay kosie da edwo da ebana da okuo da yawada efie da ana menya djuma na efie da wo be to me yawo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda woda fom obi so ho wawo akwala na no iso nsuo obi so ho so wawo akwala no de ye ya fe no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma fe na ne tini emo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matramadol wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom wasa gulu an kasan kra no wasa twi gulu ka ho me ne wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kire wo kwan no wo be hunu say abeye mremremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiru ene danta da bibo ano Malam Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene nsia Kumawood TV na yenyamre enwura sunsumu eno suko na ohaw eda oso no malam hwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika na ayira na hwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsam utu gold na opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden amawa bra Malam Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kachi kwau atibie tienie kwau atibie Eastern Region eho ena malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwawu a wo so kokwa atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647-247 ɛyɛ tie bi na ntumi ɛmwa piaw
well our pia obusia say ifiri mu why the den it be slower we na fa kokko we film na say dia wa wonu tua wo fa say no mo ma ye den ma me de we na wo yere na mfa nkonkoye digman ma me why slower
ebusia yenko Kumasi
mun ko Kumasi
oh, it's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy, Minia, or Bracon to you. Seven and I am curtain and Yasha Dion. Your penny, mammy. Seven Rame Pada, Kumasi and Camera. Chini, someone that's why. What's your winning problem? Who bet you some free to buy better Ghana? And I'm in a confidential. What one and one said to me a day in the promise. And what bring them in the capre or do open next time with Wall Street casket shop. I would massy labor hire. Me call Honoma. I know what's me yes, can't you say you? You would have been Jawano. Missy Kaya, the man is a man. I saw a bit yes, me ambulance. No, Miss Ampeg, everybody done and come. Ambulance, and the other down, only ambulance service into the problem. I mean, now, the year is so open as to take a crab with the outwas here. Do not say Kumasi stay by Plano. You couldn't put it out. Some Postman casket shops here. You will not come every day. To send you moving now. Postman casket shop, you will Kumasi in front of the town. You didn't labor office in the bank. Postman casket shop. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
And your raw dropping and a genie pegiano abosso. Ya rabbit to say, and ya akomayare wadum watso wontimi ndidi obane barima wontimi nwo me comfort read naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu ya nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie ni peduano ni titiw e de ma emma wonoma wo fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono Madam Katri tonic eboa e ma woni peduano enyini yie na boa ma wo fichi konso aye kama ye won fidie wa waso ye de ba adwaman so ye de hwehwe di pedue ni mu eyi ya ro hodo ahintani nyina edi Katri clinic e wo Kumasi Asante Mantembu adi ne wo Madam Katri clinic ya re nyina last time
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade ka to yi mu age atum se eye
Job training Kumawood Training Institute yasai ababio sese de yase ye ma yetiefo ene yahwefo nyina asua nsano dwuma wei eye nsano dwuma ene ti se woni nsano dwuma bomodian se obenya nsano dwuma entra Ghana ha se obaye dwuma ba kope na wodi ayeye dabi esese wonya dwuma bebre eka dwuma wo ye ho sana yetukwa akwa abrochi a ye no eno nti bra ne besua adwuma ni bi eka odwuma bi a wo ye eho eno nti sese de ye de adwuma foforo ene de aba ye be kirekirewo bees making eye senia ye sidi ahwene eye chain eye bags eye mpaboa eye ye niema bebre brane enchero senia si eye no mushroom farming eno ye senia si edua emre unim se obetime de na wotwemienu pe edua emre amana fifi abokama ama wotime atuadi ana wotime atu akoton brane enchero senia si eye no ye nuanom akuafoe ye gusu afrem se momra na wombesua senia si ye we decide edura ye digu haban so ama ne hye ase kura babra entimi enka aduane na ewomu no brane enchero senia si ye no snail farming bra senia si eye enwa obetima yen enwa ama na nyini kama ama wonso wakoton e de anya wusika wotimi de aye won kwan papa bi brane enchero senia si ye no ye besanso akireo 3D epoxy na 5D epoxy sese de samwa monim se sese 3D and 5D epoxy wo ye wo dem a etishren afei so ye besanso akireo liquid soap sa liquid soap yi wo betimi aton ye be kireo shower gel eye sinesi ye shower gel ama edi dware ama ye honam aye trom bra na ye nkyerɛ sinesi aye brown sugar a wode ba ye oniema bebre aton asanya sika ye be sanso akyerɛ mo sinesi ye powerzone afei nso ye be kyerɛ sinesi aye tomato paste no eno ane ye frɛ no tea tomatoes bra na ye nkyerɛ kama na fa ye waduane obetimi so aye akoton ama wonya sika bebre ye be sanso akyerɛ ice cream wo ye de show fridge ma de sanima we nyina ye kyerɛ na ye gyew 300 Ghana cedis pe obedi kan asende 50 Ghana cedis na afei ye de register at the amount ye register wa so fra chiri ana wo ba na ye buku ba bi obeda eno achi no ye de bi ebe handout at the amount ye be sanso aye pen drive video ana se ye be kyerɛ ni nyina so ye de be guso na at the amount in case say ure fi bibia na wa fa na wa play na wa hwɛ na wa kaka ni nyina afei nso ye be ma wo aduane adi wo lunch a obedi na wia ne de ye de be ma wo ni nyina ka 300 Ghana cedis a obetua no ho na ya san kyerɛw enema wo nyina we de eye fofofo se wo pese obesua sansa no nyuma we nyina ene ebomodi ase ebi we de obeba esan se ewie sa nneema ya bobɔ so nyina ye de foforo ene beba eye dakope ene ye de kyerɛw eye Saturday 17th July mu ni da etoso edunson ene ye no eda ba akope ye de be kyerɛw nneema we nyina kama pa eno ti no fa number da eda screen so no na send your mobile money ede man sesi a o send 50 Ghana cedis na wo ba wo de 250 Ghana cedis no ede aba send call 0244294066 0244294066 afenso obetimi afresh sa number ya egu screen so nyina na afei ya register aye 0244294066 channel so say aye number ba ko pe and that screen so friends ya na ya register ma aye 0244294066 friends na ya register ma say ya kase Kumawood Training Institute no jiso say ensanu juma ahimfie beye butu
animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira
right awusia yensan ema makwaba oguso sinupi we are live on Kumawood television makacho say nei yenkomo no emu hwampa waje nche de ba betumi aboa ama etumi akekere o man Ghana voice note no ba emrantem yenyamre entimi emo sanso ena say WhatsApp message ana any other message na ode ba lines no ano ene go screen no ase no be fa so aba na etumi akenkan etumi ede ama once again yensamu akwaba Kabore Mahmood Ashanti Regional Communication Team member of the NDC oko Secretary Farm Place assign communication officer for the NDC and so ho why 10 president vice president okay university pain nei eba bibiri mu hanyina speakers of parliament various universities no pay onya agoro kra okoko university nso a ono na speaker ndizan ka okọ Ghana no parliamentarians nyina na kotena na ese speaker no okoko university nso a ono na speaker of parliament okay university ma show mo bossa so bintimi ko he mo settings da ebia before mbe end the semester dey ebeko na ko he said the almost settings no enso esitie yenyamre na yetimi adi nkombo no titu eyemienu ze medical ka kire no mapani asem waka ede ya teachafo se eye futu ana se eno krotodo na Ghana mapani watimi aka eye futu ana se eno krotodo ena waka da teachafo se so pese wo yeye unye sika de a why do you decide to hold on to chalk and also for chalk pese wo yeye billionaire ma enso die da action munye sika na je bitu fie me fie de dia enya chekire djuma na wo jitum so ba teacher ni nko ade a na wo so jitum se o man na baba bo o man no am o man no etmi apeja na o ba ni obi e millionaire do billionaire se millionaire so na se hwan no o mo no so bo o man no so tumi peja o ana reality no man pani aka ana se tafo bi hu ne se man pani anka se yi wo benyamre na ye di ho enkomo na afi nso se de sika ma omampani eyerenom na obedi akire yerenom no TVC for se sika ye tu omo information se sika no ko ye tue bi dada from January ebesi June ye tue de ama san nkrofo no nti no wampani omo sɛ no a on san fa sika omo san sika nyina san firi nkrofo no ho fi sɛ omo yerenom enya de Ghana man afọ modwuma nti yen san enyi sɛ sika no emfa firi omo ho kan wampani da ma ha se onte ase one wampani enya adwense yentua na yere ene ne vice the late emisata yere eka ase onte ase allowances na no eye oje tebra yinya mre entumi enkenkan enfa ema kabora tnase mana kwa be hwani mu se Duncan Boatin Bombay mana so tnase na afi aton komo no eso ora kwa ba
we do se Mike
wi abakode
adom umpa bo hwie kan o egusu kakra etrenti ye die entumi nya jeswa ti egusu kakra
sachire te sen
adom mekrom fo ho ye sechra from plains for free adumu ekwa adumu ansa ade ba kwa ha adwen ene se u se district ba 2012 ya na yete ye ti amampuntu no dodo no a yenyenya bi
okay
enti ye dada na mutu ne ye nkoso ya setena mu yedie no fakese ni gina assembly dwumadie so na ekopem se abakwasemu afini afia yenyenya DCE for the past almost 7 months and 7 months unim se caretakers DCEs no one omu need to me be in terms of signing new contracts ni ade and two ya to say DCE kura no ya say nani essa ana nani tua ade a won mo pre no mu kura chen ye mansi no nkoso and from 7th January
re-election
yes renomination
okay
from 7th January yekoto aba on the 8th odenchamba mountain so beji tu mu se wadi nkuguo we na ajuso basa ko pre-DC no be sit ne me ne wo kasai wetuma bi mfidie na tum na sechera from plains for afre on si hompo na wahwe de ekoso ho nti eya homete
no that is serious say since na sa wampani mo 4 months
obekaya
sabe wampani de 4 months na mo no denja no
yetwamu kumawu a de aje kum no mo wo mo constituency o mo district bo adwuma ko agogo a otibbo ate no mo ne ade ba ye pe odenja mba bia ye huno ye DCE ka ye hu ba bia wo DCE ankasa ye hu ba bia obekaya se me ba ha de fulani issue bi ba ya na akuafo di apinisie wo mo no ba ye mo awe ye pe dissect chairman kra de asemato nanim wo ni assembly ho oni district no mo and for the past 7 months ni die yeni ba bi odenche mafa and akoye kakra assembly members any coordinating director bitumi aya na kakra edidi ese na dan kwagufu ado ne se o mo no homoden na otwi nkwa na wie ye die wo mubodin
likely
yes na sechira from place wonipa wo akomapa wo tenna na ho brase betumi aboa me yekoye nim minim se nya de wo kakobɔ ndisi ni ana mitie nyame na mekɔ kyerɛ sɛ wɔkɔbɔ sumasi ana ɔbɛnten arɔmmɔ no homɔden sɛ obeyi obi amaye
okay so ɔden ba de wa hyase no gɔbɛtoa so anka bɛboa
wanhyɛ no kra wo mu ni sɛ ara ho sɛ wo mu ni sɛ wanhyɛ bibi papa bi ase
oh sir
ɛsan sɛ even puntuo kra banda da no administration dada di gya ne nyina ɛnɛ sɛ kyerɛ from place that so high down the assembly adwuma meanwhile bandada ni si assembly complex aye about 85% complete
okay
and then odencham as a DC or that so high down edem as a DC meanwhile DC Bangola former DC honorable Hussein Donko see about 90% complete ya tumuta as share pipe ni ade nyina na esiwuram court dan ya wi a ya boso apenti bibia da so si wo police Bangalore ya wi ya na rivers nyina ya hyehyɛ akase ye be total so mu ni ade ama police phone aka wuram ukwo secondary school a yesi nkonwa gum ya penti ya bibia fine bubum or say it's not fit for purpose
community day
yes and I know population census for eco training akwa start o madwuma one of the classroom no mu use here na omo de yo mu training mi yimfonyi ni video kire wa we measure but other times it's not fit for purpose efie nan ni esiwuram
school phone go
obi anim as I said the emergency secretary from fence wo ba ho a sebe yempunto ayamana kan wuram tititu educational infrastructure no ama nkuzie ne nkrantie kura te brofo chen because abedane ajapade ama nkuzie ne nkrantie na ye nipa no ye mbia do me yenkom nti wa hwe ahwan na bete brofo asen nonko enti odenche mmom die for the first time wa ahemfo aka won ho abom atwere petition e de akoma barima na Kumawood hene se wo ma no to na dan kwagufu ado say abrante friend Joseph Owusu do don aka no denchem no enya de omu hia ne biem then you know say, yes then you know say ade no it has gone beyond the normal politics to development as a people. Yen time will be me MDC ni said them di kan kan nya de na danka ku to me party chairman and I'm a party secretary but MPP for no amu no ohwe no po obi o wa akoma pa osum because a leadership of service osum e wona dwen mu wa ho fama say oba be sum ne ma nya sa dia.
So are you saying say Drobonso senior high school no community day no enya adwuma school ni bi anim
obi anim watchma kura anim na school ni
anso munwie
esi wura makasi wura mu enya na no population census for na ekoda ho a for the past John Romani Muhammad dija ho in 2016 no na ba bi odija ya neja paint ni ade e wo ho nyina wo de mefo wade ama e bia within the week and next week e ba memma videos unyimi ni a verify first and sending about so never to screen and na atiefo ni adofo nyina hwe bi because me gidi say was a structure ni si Drobonso ya painti enkonwa gum fine wom ICT complex your friend is a science complex nyina wom na akasim wuram na ufri Drobonso ba Kumawood just less than 30 minutes drive na twenebu akodua na Kumawood ye double track wo ho a na sebie so sebie nya do ani adwen enko because aha number na busunti no me double track aha so yesi awienti na esi wuram na wo chen the number ni bi kura ko ha na yenkwa ye sechere enclave ni ye double track ya nti eyade a eyade bone na
once overhead or then chem saying say baby esi no so kan kola na kura nante kura nkwa emuwa nti yes omutimi the boarding facility kan once
no kura wo ni say it is perfectly so say package na buy na a day and ye nyina betena asese ye ne ye ho saa no na afin so commuting route no angasa kwa nya town route and in see ye na say nya boarding package bi ka ho a ebe ya de papa ana ye nyina ye gya tum ya bodwa na nanum nyina ti dwabo na se ana ye see ebe yi classroom no be ye enan mienu ye de be ma ye de mienu ama mema because school bi a obete no for population no edi nanim saa na ya twere the akana koma get fund say ye share of the MPs and then the district assembly common fund I free get fund no ye the C dormitory aka ho je wo be hia say ye yi classroom ni bi anim ye ni ye bia no dia obi anfa no to boa mra de be ya ye betumi bia school na no nti at the time as a personal assistant to the member of parliament me ya aware say MPs sign 68,000 Ghana cedis from the common fund
680 million.
Yes. Okay. Say young fan no so more in terms of because Mpala say omo beda dia. I was see a temporary place omo be dware temporary place amabi sisi omo ho ni ade. Till not that one that money was going into that. Now fe so ya amount to your public your politics ni ade a ensuo ni ade more importantly ye nyantwe light nkoduro honum. Enti adentina 2 years because that community town hall meeting was in 2018. Okay. And in area nim say September 2019 no. Nke yenso new entrance ko school ayeso ye beji besi ne. Anu ye papa bi amaye. Enti beyond NDC MPP. Say na ba bedru sechere from place a. Ehọ na me free. Ehọ na ebia odenchem so be fa ne say o free. On de enye ho no free mum. Minim so ya ho nti na ye office sechere dumase.
Address sechere dumase.
Sechere dumase seko.
Na papa ebia papa
when you busuya bia free district no mu because we di ka ba we say na busuya ni ne me papa kuma ba ko yesu ye mosifo na Joseph Owusu de oye de be mosi ni so ehun but politically there obi atimi ko ba bia but when you akọ no de yesi ba bia babato bia ye mpoyem wo ye obi de yi a na won so de ye wo ya ho mpo na oba na wo saa ho fama no so what china wuni wa because the empire sin ye die so wuni wa be ka say abrante bi ba ya na friend Joseph Owusu enam no so na 1 2 3 4 ene honorable alasa duma ko mensa enye kura o china onye MP nipa bobo ni dimpa so onu ni MP oba ya for the first time kwan ya afri Kumawood ba Drobonso yetumi yiye wonu ni MP oba ya for the first time Drobonso nya nyina mkanea wonu ni MP oba ya for the first time Drobonso nya pro station onu ni MP ado oba ya Drobonso nya network
Monica no
say yanya bi say etutu sika say ekotobi odenche mama na mma no na dan kwa kufu out by me press conference bi ukai good me press conference bi this our press conference na china papa no kodro no say da we dey fe de na wa bre ye baako but adomako ne MP a oye first one what me connected Drobonso to the adjoining communities by placing a bridge on the Afram River.
Okay.
And it was monumental projects be as a member of parliament no. Obetumi dey accrediting the things one na ye that's the sole solicitor and as a lobby so I call lobby sa nyama na ba. But then tell more ade mienu pe no ne abrehosem no. Enu ti Sir Mike such Afram Plains asem no abrehosem. Such Afram Plains asem no abeye passionate thing na me would say crime be as part of your friends say Sino hydro projects. When we have free cry your friend no Bosomfo Junction to Fumsia. Because you need proper coordination DC crown community. And I know I was trading one of the route. We do her share Tadia contractor and covet be our year as bridger. What you say we ending our trim you know a bit overflow I'm a quite a sink. And I'm Mr. Contractor and say now why would you say they are higher mrefa? Now I said that Tadia Mukrado what the covet size we no project specification but some me probi aja me need to me supervisor dino contractor boom say me mambonia meanwhile ebia DC one wo proper supervision covet sene fatani de be ya kwan be che enuti is a big challenge uba such a from place and nipa num and our file some person DC. Wow. The incumbent honorable Joseph Owusu Odenchem Abranti a one no call parliamentary primaries in 2015 your friend Obosom Pem Ofran Rofi party chairman constituency party chairman your friend Hamidu Sule constituency financier about your friend Edward no do no friend Odoyewu or no so ye adwuma accountant controller and accountant general and one Mr. Akuma no so ye deputy registrar at Ghana Telecom University me say Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo for na ni hwem and 9 akan or then chamudi. One me boy, na me tell you do win.
Is it because or then any contest TNT?
Sama father say any ma me bubo so nyina no we obi a wo free search from place. Nya so say wakuma mu ani agesa. About the parliamentary primaries on any day make a tell people before say for then chamudi because he's a strong candidate. But assembly adwuma no assembly mpuntu no ema na enye abempi no nimdie ene ahofama na ye saade no woni nimdie na you might be politically strong for the party but aduma na ho no nye mpp fo nkwa na ye amomo ye use o ye DC ya you are father for all tina da kwa kufu adu tiwe enye mpp fo nkwa mampani no send this people see mpo se CPP po se omumpo se gumpo ompo o ye nyina mampani ni sie da mu so ne abankra jipani obeyi no we be search na from place. And in who you be able to remember some dominating politically, dear. Maybe our primaries do. May I would advise them. Say he's a strong candidate. I'm a but a former Jumano and Koye.
Right, I was Augusto Sinope live on Kumawood television. Juada, such a fan place, NDC communication officer, Kakao, the everywhere at the Aban. Well, you be Pemre, na yene honorable Joseph Odenchem. To me, Edin Komabusan said, now, 4 months in 7 this year, Masia, now, Celtic Masia, on Cossachere. Now, open this year, the now Cossachere, and as for cop, maybe a cabal and then who know, so a bar, now at New City, see, and then again, so I completed school this one, a school nephew. Depending for me, near maybe, I'm a boarding facility, never come one time, I'm afraid to use Sua, Ebwapa, Chen said near Mano, who said a very nice building, you see what, now it depends. Araho pa but the phone to an amount them now into me and while we so edin come kabari yansha the issue of president and wife friends vice president spouses yes say etuom ka to use if we say omonya nti yes say adena kwa from January abisi June and you know they are giving a course into the president so many more thing na man ko yi teacher for ketua na that day other workers kwa no ye to for ketua mu illegal. It has no legal basis for the president to even allow that to happen. Do you want some refund this kind of? In fact, I don't know. The Mahama has on your more a drink. You say you can see 2 microphonic. But Obisbaka said, Abenda Mahama, how much was he giving? Question is immediately. Busa Panwa, Ubian to any, I don't know. Allowance no, Busum Biana say, and I could tell Biana say. ye better no akatua afide mo se montiase.
So thank you very much. Me and some more basu juma so mudi. We woni obedwafo wapamfo a ono mo ye juma nyina na ye nchia ya hwefo ni etifo all over the globe. I think say Kumawood there, this is one of the most authoritative late afternoon political show. Ghana ha nyina abibrim ha nyina ne wiase afa na nyina no eboa me educate nipa me ba me kan say de eche but my nipa no mfom so betumi aba me nti ba bi e be chia no ya na hwefo ne atifo de ache. First of all, my clear a certain misconception say under previous administrations now your first lady and your second lady allowances. There was nothing like allowances. The first lady and second lady, you are be a friend of presidential budget.
Okay.
And no, a year president and then a body actually omu afibamu ensemo amoko no omo bamu nyina ehun nsem na ye twese ka bia to wa eno ne ye de hwe omo. Okay. Enu bi na eboa ma won yire no mo na mutuo ne ade nyina no ekoso na eyiwie peye. And there was nothing like say bia yaba ye be a board meeting GMPC na a sorry meeting national na say board members mo allowance ni and at the end of the month GMPC board members mo allowance ni there be na mbom presidential budget na obekai na say na amount for raise allegation say na na do de no wadi am na kwa anim dodo foreign travels ye wodi refreshment ni ade these are the monies ni nyina ka ho ye free your friends ye kikabo mu akoye presidential budget until the wodi to kwan the wodi eje another heads of state aba omanmu the oyire ebia official assignment bi ni the kika ho nyina na kabo mu a a friend of presidential budget ya beti ase sa de me ha so na omo akiri se wampani mahama na yere Ghana wampani ya wanyana baby kro dada me was na yere former fence vice Mr. Athlete na yere ena mo akeka no kwenu lawrence mo no mo so yede ni ahwe omo. So that is not an allowance given to them one because the okay no aye de ono no ewo akonwa ne so great and the ono no so ten onim say ye wo emra wo my Ghana ha se unya bedi o mampani say cream na mpokura no wudwumadie ba to an end eye mra se o man ni tua wo ka kopem da obewu sure enuti is still within their remit say kakra wo ne we yire no mo de bom ho bra ne wo ma de bo ho bra de e wo se etena ho da do no na wu ne me ba chechemu the motive ni say onya be yo mampani a who was certain vital information about the country o man ye hinta sem bebre ho a wudim eti ya show na ko ba ne say ya to asawram ko pe wadwuma na mpokwa uko release o man no ya hinta sem bia na che say ye ho ya ba asem enti emra no mu no ye hwe kopem da obewu ade a ye ntumi am function and so mampani betima besom na wokọ na wasoma wie na chi no wafrim ne yire ne ma ehye ye ben na wo ho a e wo se ye de mom eno eno my Ghana ni I support a call say bia enko ba se ye mom allowance abra won kunu no mti ase because Mike uti akonwa no so se o mampani a aside see ye tua oka no wabusua no wankasa wo secular nuclear family no mana mutu nyina mutu o Ghana mo ye free eto mampani ni ye twaduane ma no di na yamane bi ne yire ne namba bi adi ye twatare ma ne hye ne atobia hye ne yire ne namba ye ma no lord tenam ne yamane yire ne namba bi atenam chese bibia wo se nipa bra bokoso no ye de ma mampani ni na busua free enti na adenti na sa time na wasi esa tua oyereka. That's the first question. Say yesu sa mampani no asoma wie no ede no ane na yire ne mabedi ana mampani ne be free mu a ede na ne yire bedi a de mi bisa ne se ma akoto o ye teacher ni a wo so my Ghana kwani esa nyina so se nyame mpangu ma no da sumu na so se wo free mu a wo a wo tua tax ya wo ye taxpayer no ne yegigi bom de kwato consolidated fund na ye de bi hwe mampani ne yire no se wo so free mu a taxpayer no free mu wa na be hwe o yire wa na hwe o yire police ni na onu so tua tax no se sa police ni no wo free mu a when na enhwe onu so yire MP a wo agye ata wani ase a wo na nam TV to TV radio to radio chire bu se o se etua Aunt Rebecca ne ma Samira ka no se wo sa MP no wo free mu a te se na no mfantepem MP ono mo Hayford free mi ne yire kwa medi MP anka hwan pa ne ntua ne yire ka so say yentumi mfanye what is not good for the goose no what is good for the goose will be good for the Ghana see say o mampani bi free mu na ne yire ba ye mobody a you are doing taxpayer no ho de. Well, Obiso from another school of thought. You see, in as much as Omampeni and your man who hintasem no, because Obia and the Yeri Omukasumasem, that same vein, the Yeri so Ebia also or man who hintasem. In the moment here, when we are no some, none Nikunu free moon, and then you bet to me a yamo, bana, and Nibaswa. You hintasema with him as former first lady and now former second lady no. O manu kwa da bontin eno na mo ka ho asem de ya me make abore from a point of view metimi aba ha be ka che na wo se ene ye nkwa parliament ye nkwa ji tumi ne anya ade bi a ye friend the presidential spouses insurance death insurance o man pani ko no ba sum wie na okọ no nkira chi a na fe that death insurance ne be di adanse ye se na do mills ne kunu ne his excellency John Evans Atamios. His Excellency Evans Atamios on TSBM. It now the mills now qualifies for the presidential spouse death insurance. Okay. Now on mine no kakra bi ebe tumi aboa your first lady abra ni kunu tiase no. Ya yaman. Na so kunu tiase. Na se onsumo ye tua ne ka kopem da obewudie. It is bad. It is insensitive. It is uncalled for. It is the highest point of disrespect and insult to the ordinary taxpayer.
Ebiana of vital information. Obi a IGP. Ewo maimu. Ono so Ghana ni Bema. Obi a Attorney General. Oye Bema. Obi a Chief Justice. Oye Bema. Anaso yoba. Ne yire anani kunu. Ono so ne council musem. Exactly so. But you heard the aggregate of information. Because IGP who your security, especially fan of the Public Order Act, Law and Order, your hintasem so we are a bit specified, we are confined in an area. We are Chief Justice, I am Bina, also but you come and penny as uncle for and brief him on daily basis. More or less like a hub of information. It's uncomparable. But in a way, no. It is not also right. Say, oh yeah, Juma. Oh no, you better discuss it. Those things. It's not right. You know. You cannot stop anyone from that. If we are only assuming, say, oh, you know, you didn't toward it because teacher Juma, we no one know you didn't come. Oh, headmaster be our back. How or high empire? Was he say? Was the school you say? Was he say? Was he say? Ebi our fans say normal because we are teaching. So I don't know. Penny so far say, also the teacher Juma when you no. So what you say? China forces say no more say secret. No one in the year didn't come. Or padring after the year. Obi Jenny foot to cry the cabinet. So who knows another school of thought necessary a buying penny for no more money on was on a Enco review your secret being from Obi man media money. Is that what you said? Nikunu Esun Vienna so free moi. Young come Rashe the fee. Na yam pet to me ebe my presidential spouses death insurance. Okay. Because Mike, I'm speaking from experience. Meaning omampeni bi a free money e wo Ghana ha. Na same time na no home fa no. Na also call South Africa for surgery. Me MPDC ka so ma me say me fa nkoye contribution because na omabie for na MPC bi a mo NDC for a contribution. Okay. And sign am na timi akọ. E yare ho sem. So in the highest office of this country. Nani wuachire no. Sabe doctor Zigakure wunya. Ya. Maame no so one putting itself together. Na bia when all these bandits are more international now or disclose some security, especially our security. Ema omuna so ho no obenya sika. Obetumi aye. So ye bibi kakra. Ye nya de aburu yen so. You don't need to give cabinet your friends say salaries to them. And son of what you make ends meet. Something small. If you crack as in the macro and more educational scholarship. Okay. Something small.
ebe kipi abusua na enko ba so obede yasem ebe kwa abonte ana se ebi a ochena ne yehia ma Teresa e wasafodwam manu da sumuna so omampani kufo ire o ye ma so onu kwa do otiase na adumils ana mama kuna adu ajeman manu da sumuna so ne yehia na asafodwam no oton pure water ebe ye wrong obi a be ferry se adan na ye mampani mu a wakọ ne kreche ne yire ton pure water considering the status
obu ye poor sir wa wo hwa se wuyi ebi a omo ba before the fourth republic ni free wa omo ba before the fourth republic ni free wa from Nadu from Kunadu Rollins eso eba besine what do you say I want you to know what sir
Samak no kwe wo mu say you can't judge a book by its cover obia won family battles and then the struggles unim de omampani no otifie fine say what asede a said you what so ye tua ne ka no for instance John Romadi Mahama je akatua na na dankwa kufa doje 47,000 whether you are president or not once you have become a president before oje so it is a unlikely event na de to atame osene bia to omampani bi dia sa 47,000 more ni na busua hwede ti atame is free mo somewhere 2012 basing na 47,000 ma bi it is 47,000 no oje
first bo no because you say enya den yan ko free mo no na entitlement bi o ha ali so yeduma na ko pension na wo yeduma na free mo a kakra bia na e wo ho no e wo say minimum so muntu asenet dia
presidential almost will take home. They said the MPs no take home, but I need a short take home.
Okay.
So 4 years I need to take home.
Not even.
I don't have information to it. To me canopy. But the young says after the amount 100,000 cities as take home Krana from 2012 to end. That's about 9 years. Financially obey constrained, obey limited. And to me, I'm not in support of say. Na dan kwa kufuado RSA bi so se bi na do nyame anim ne bonsam atiko na ohawa ye wo mu nei enne na wo se ye ntua ne ka 47,000
yeah
470 million ye kire o ye wi a ono ne yire Auntie Rebecca ye ma ono so 33,000 plus 330 million ye kire eno na me ntiase na dan kwa kufuado ye mu aduane di ye se watade Yama Lord Tram, who for you to Ghana and Toma, credit you to Ghana. Et near pa now we don't know, my here. Who cried ye? Who by ye? What's I shall Makutupa? And no market or more organization, my sister's keepers. One more sorry, baby, I'm a minimum to tell of Jom do Bojo Jacotuno. I want almost say this is Gadi or Muhi. Now, Sassy and Pia, here a cat. Say, Mike, at a point, ya can't afford you to go for Kuranjamino. It is insensitive. A chesed na dan gwa guvado wanye calculative wan kire se asemwa na wo opposition waka no eno no wodi so no na no kra bani kan se anu a de bobesia no nye sa anu na na edi tua because obi be ka kire me se na dan gwa guvado be ba betena konwa so na ne yire a wode na chi keke maami ndo magana wo mpam magana obe ba be kase ntua ne yire ka nkame ngin ni da na papa lo wasoko me wasoko Ghana fo nso hwe se Mike ahokyere wo Ghana ha ahokyere e wo Ghana ha we a teacher ni at the end of the month can no na auto light say say what top busume be so no wabusu am use light how much can no na utua nzuo ka say ene mutua nzuo ka say can no yire kwadwam na say e bia wo mbe so obe use wa ka akra wo fa trotro free tech ko aduma na yesen ene yesen can no body draw yesen ene body draw yesen so wo teacher ni kura won complain ye with kakra yankopon adom ye tua o nyina no you are content with it won complain ye won ga se wo ye teacher ni ye tua akatie ko tua yereka enti maka na biem say 470 million o magana di tua na dan kwaku fu adoka 50 million ye di tua 390 million di tua vice president Mamudu Bawumia sazi ka o musu jitum so o manu mu ayedin na sazi ka no enso o mo se won betimi ya kwa mo yire no ama o ma ware ase asumdi aba obi anfonso o mo vice president yire Samira Bawumia na busu apeni da so tiase Auntie Rebecca na busu apeni da so tiase kwa busu afie ne koja o yire na busu apeni nguhire ni ehunu se ne de o man mu ahokyerenti o man pani agufado wo ji 470 million na so enu kura ntu bi ho yire ntu obeja no aba no sa ni nyina ya te ho ase
that's not fair Is it because some request Uncle John is going to me? Uncle want to be channel.
Hey,
but then almost say it do baby. Say Anka or man penny area. On waiting so no. Ain't been come.
That be what do you is that a name more? So sure. What as a teacher, and what letter come ABR? The friend says, GS is all mama, you don't work at you. Because what you to me say, no matter how situations is, any dear queen in Hano, who bet to me, I leave you with Wahire. Nakaka, who been a piano, what you told me an eddy. Now, what did I do for 170 million as a teacher? Every 70 that's on a crowd, a bad day. So, what did you 470? Was it what to me? I ran a European. Vice President Mahmoud Bamia, who got your tea? You anti-Semitic and need to make us also to make us on any more effect. Come on. But make us in Ghana net too. It is near pan or your man anti-Semitic. Or 390 million anti mean swap. Or no one to call of Fian Japasi a manakatia. And you would to me, Quadiano, Quabusia, mobile dear, Namage for 390. Satam no man muye, because now Afiani Ababa Mahama to near my ye. And then Yankasa out of mismanagement. Yentimi to petro beto kwamonto out of mismanagement my tare abusu afre freya sunu na omusu sika no sunu abusu afo kra na aba beso me neme yire etinu mo ba no monyi mo ade mahama san ba na o manimu goa be san be wade no asem because the process ni koja na yire na oji 470 wuntumi hwe yire yakoja no bia ye no mo betima hwe omo no na no mo betima hwe omo no yakwa abusu afie na omo mema ya. Right. I
was go so Sinopi live on Kumawood television. Mahmoud Kabori, NDC Asante Regional Communication Team member, such a fan place and so on, and a communication officer, or Motina Kago so AD and Como for Jen Cebra. Na Inyamre into me and Kenkai and find my voice notes bar. If it means so about my name rantem na into me and more and for my you didn't come up. The Tuesday for Eda Kotuja, 7 penny almost done one. Catana, and Omutim said, Sicano dear, Ghana for a year, once Africa, the Bitrian. Tuesday for some of the more information, say, oh, more, you may funk them cool. I will say, can educate to you that. You know, first and secondly, this kind of margin on Penisha, on one side and Fancon, and when you said, Ghana, you may form what you homo. No, many more time we say, never cast a Quambiasono, Yintia, Omo, and on Yerenum. And I'll be the Executive Eka. Yes, sir. Mwa. Former President John Ramani Mahama say, I'm Tiasia. And we here, Vasudi so. Well, in Amre, na Afi Yatwaso, Eguso, Edim Komoyenfa said that into me, Enfa, Emma Kumawood Training Institute. Catching me out more on the 17th. Next, women there by and another training, and so Basso. Kumawood Training Institute. We a skilled training. Mushroom, ye chair of Kwame for the Bayemri. Sanso and ice cream and also no ya chere okwan befa so a obetumi aboa na watumi aye ice cream obra omra hokra tomato paste snow enwa wo ye enwa nyamfa so ne nwa hwan de pa otonwa baako a na nsami kodi dem otonwa baako 15 cedis enya agro utumi ye enwa na se ba bibiri a mfa so pa na wunya 3D and also ya chere na afi kwan fa so de ahwene empaboa ye de ye bags edi bi kutu kom ya de nyina no and so it me actually you try na Ghana cedis pe e ma pen drive e bia enso ho a e be san so ama certificate e che se obaje ntete na afi bi koto de ma nyina no yet me actually amahu se ene ma na ha de koto no upebi na otimi e de adwuma na wo de adwuma aboa ama won so akyere nkrofo kra no na waye bi so aton a won so otimi afabi san so na ye boa wona ufrechiri ba bia obeda ye de baby man hotel kama na ya sama do video so e de piso ni na no na 300 Ghana inclusive no nti opese oba training ni bia sorry edwumeku ahodo ene adofo nyina momoden a na 17th bet bia frɛ 0244294066 0244294066 na odi kan register ato wokra ansa na da no atumi edu hyene so say 300 Ghana cedis pe na ya ji wo na training we nyina no atumi ede amawo our visa, our travel and logistics. Our travel and logistics in Kanjo say control some na inei or the ebrewo. Say ope say utukwanku Dubai. Oni so ade no say ubenya adwuma aye e wo Dubai. Adwuma no de ebuo mu, sika wo mu na eboa wa ma watumi abehwefie. Say be siampo na wo de kwa akyekwa aboso miensa, wonya sika no e de aba abetua bia oji free ye na masumde so atumi aba na. Ese mo aye den no 4 months, 5 months, 1 year and 2 years ababa Ghana no. Na wo no distance ne mu wa pa what in Ghana bono be is okọ na adwuma no ekoso ma mo adwuma ye ya beda nso ye de eka ho eye awa travel and logistics e de eka fo e de ama ho 3 months and already visa na ma woda kopi mu Dubai adwuma so eka ho be frɛ 0552 373 027 0552 373 027 from wa omo ebejo so na afi bia obi ano omo atimi ene ho edi ho nkomo ye twa ho enye nkrato emra ye ba ompani samo akacha tichafo ame nei tichafo bi mu se ompani so kasa yie so ankasa yie so aka no kre ede a kire omo gya adwuma no omo to aso aye edi hia ye kwaba ye ba ebeto aso
Oti animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom
obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a cheno wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra
ya adwuma me mene da
okay
kwesi da edwoda ebenada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na fieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nante da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye afa na kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma afa na ne timi enwo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so amene wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho mene wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi wo ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kyerɛ wo kwan no wo be hu no say abɛyɛ mremremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni nsia Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu ena osuko na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam wusika ena ayira na hohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsem utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebi akontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kachi kwa atibie tienie kwa atibie Eastern Region eho ena Mala mo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwawu a wo so kwawu atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo befre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
well all pia o say say free mu why the den it be slower we na fa kokko we film na say dia wa wonu tua wo fa say no mo ye den ma me di we na wo yere na mfa nkonko ye digma na ma me why
abusa yenko nkumase
munko nkumase
Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy. Minia, or Brapon to Yao. 7 and a half my uncle and Yasha Dion. Your penny, mammy. 7 and a half Pada. Oh, Marcia Camera. Nammy, Chini, someone that's why. What's your media? We need problem cry. Who made you some free to buy? But to Ghana, and I'm in a confidential. What one and one said to me a day in the promise. And what bread in the capre or do you be next time? Go straight casket shop. I would massy labor hire. Me call one man. I know what's me. Yes, can't say you. You would have been Chawano. Missy na ye di ma me se me papa no ai so abi so ye se me be ambulance na me sam pe de be da no enka ambulance ani de be da ho omu ye ambulance service into ni problem kra ani na ye ye ni se ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know say kuma stay by plan o ye ko dem ko tira o some Coachway casket shop here ye wona ka me bere te se de mu na Coachway casket shop ye wo kuma se infant new town ye di labor office na ben Coachway casket shop ana we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets
and yaro do ben and agi ni pedua no abo
right I was in sign Emma Wakwaba Uguso Sinupi live on Kumawood television messages no kosofa bra na nyamre enkenkan emfa Emma we say good evening Mr. Host, please tell Nanado and his vice that Ghana is not for sale. They should be extra careful. I'm ata ne ata inside seshi anyaso tanoso in the baby anyaso bekwai constituency. Okay, baby anyaso bekwai constituency. No, I don't stand on munchim. Also pa well atani ata yena say we say good evening sir. Please, it is very sad. I'm a teacher and it's been owned by, I've been owned, I think that's what we want to write, by GS for 6 good months. I was paid only 135 Ghana cedis. But it is sad to hear that this government can find huge sums of money to pay their wives. Emmanuel from Sampa.